Going to start a YouTube channel in 2024. This is the exact 7-step system that I would follow. Our students have actually been using this system for years now to get their first 100, 1,000, even 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. But I have a disclaimer for you. This system isn't some magic pill, right? You actually have to upload videos. You're gonna have to actually punch fear in the face, press record, and commit at least a few hours a week to your YouTube channel. If you followed this system, you might be surprised by how quickly your YouTube channel grows, and also by how quickly you're able to start generating money from your YouTube channel. So stick with me, because I'm gonna break down this entire system for the first time ever on YouTube like this. Let's jump into number 1, which is reverse engineer. Before you start really posting videos, you wanna answer a few questions. Who is your YouTube channel actually for? The mistake a lot of people make is that if you try and reach everybody, you'll end up reaching nobody. And then what? What problem does my YouTube channel solve? Who's my channel for? People that want to get into fishing. What problem does it solve? People that want to know fishing poles, lures, things like that. Okay, I'm gonna make a video and I'm going to review the top 5 lures for catching bass fish. And therefore, before you even start, you're making a plan, right? You may have heard if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. And so reverse engineer is the first R. Number 2, research. We're gonna start crafting our title. This could include keyword research. What are the terms people are searching for? There's also the ability to look into how much search volume, like how many people are actually interested in this topic, using some keyword research tools. I like to use vidIQ. You also can go to the YouTube search bar and you could type best fishing and it'll start finishing your sentence for you. Best fishing boats, best fishing poles. Another way that you research is you're gonna research your competitors. I'm gonna go see what other videos are out there on this topic. How long are they? What do their thumbnails look like? What is the content inside of the video? What can I learn from these videos? Again, our time spent in research and reverse engineering is our time spent winning the battle before the battle even starts. So when we actually record the video, we're doing it with more intentionality, with more insight, with more knowledge, with more strategy. And this will change everything. Let's get to number 3. So number 3 is record. You want to record your video with strategy. The planning you've done here is going to help you record a strong video that holds the viewer's attention, that ultimately is pleasing to watch. You want to be brief, be bright, be fun, and be done. Turn the video off, and now you have the video ready to edit and ultimately upload, which brings us to number 4, which is release. I'm making sure my title's good, my thumbnail's good. I'm filling out that description line by line, uploading tags, adding your video to a playlist, and then eventually making your video public. Now here's the mistake people make. One of the things I've noticed is that people get lazy right about here, right? You already might be like, dear God, Sean, we've gone through so much. We've done a lot up until this point. Do not cut corners here. You wanna make sure that your video is findable, meaning it's discoverable, making sure that your video is optimized properly. So that's number 4, and that is release, which brings us to number 5, which is rocket and rank. So this is your opportunity now. Your video is public. Congratulations. You've released your video to the world. It's out there now, and it's sitting on YouTube, and now your goal is to, of course, get your video views. The best way for your video to grow on YouTube is to actually trigger the YouTube algorithm itself, meaning this: if you have done the first 4 steps properly, then in a way, number 5 should take care of itself. However, you can share your video on the community tab an hour or 2 or 3 after the video comes out to maybe get a few more views to your video. Now, there are off-platform opportunities here as well. My friend Neil Patel, he's able to rank his videos because he's built a big email list, and when he releases a new YouTube video, he sends an email, and YouTube loves the fact that he sends all these people over to YouTube that weren't on YouTube. Then boom, your video ranks, and here's the dream. Do you want to create a video today that gets views a month from now, a year from now, and even beyond? So number 6 now, review. So review is all about analytics. Now, disclaimer, your first video is gonna probably be terrible. Like your first videos are your worst videos. I know mine were. Spending too much time reviewing them is kind of discouraging. It's not even super helpful, but eventually this is a key step because what gets measured gets improved. We look at the video and we say, okay, what do we learn from it? Did the video take off? And what your analytics will tell you is a 1 out of 10, that's good, or 10 out of 10, the worst out of your last 10 videos. And you can look at these different metrics. And then not only that, remember, the 7R system is about your entire channel as well. So it works for both. Like this is a routine. This is a system that you work over and over consistently. And then the key is you say, how can I improve and get better next time? Number 7, repeat. We take the information we learned from studying our video and we say, how can we begin again more intelligently? What are the winners? What are the videos out of the last 10 videos I've posted? Which 1 or 2 videos did the best? Success leaves clues, make part 2s, right? So if you've got 10, 20 videos, there's maybe a couple videos where you should follow up, and that's gonna influence the videos that I make next. Now, the 8th R, which is repurpose. So one of our favorite things to do right now at Think Media is to encourage people to do video podcasts. We have a video podcast. Typically, those episodes are about 20 minutes long. So if it's a 30-minute episode, there may be 7 minutes that are worth uploading as a clip. You're starting to work smarter, not just harder, and you're getting more uploads because not everyone's gonna watch 30 minutes or an hour or 2-hour podcast. You don't even have to record it, it's already recorded. You just trim it out, re-release it, rocket that, and you might be able to get multiple clips out of your longer form YouTube video. There's an opportunity to, of course, upload vertical videos and clips of your videos on Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok, LinkedIn, horizontal clips across those platforms, vertical clips across those platforms. And so YouTube is the top of the pyramid where you upload quality content. But as your brand evolves, as you grow your creator business, as you strengthen your content creation muscles, then repurpose becomes a critical R of this system. And so that's the 7R system. If I'm starting a YouTube channel from scratch, I'm starting slow, I'm punching fear in the face, punching perfectionism in the face, I'm pressing record. I'm not getting overwhelmed with all of this, but you do need a system. You need structure. And I'm gonna follow this system step by step, and I'm gonna master each of these R's as I continue to upload videos. If you specifically want to figure out the shortest path to how can I make significant money on YouTube, even if I have a small channel, then I highly recommend checking out freethinkclass.com. My name is Sean Cannell, rhymes with YouTube channel. Hit like, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.